So to make the vehicle move forward, I need to now start my vehicle because we're not going anywhere unless I actually move forward. Now, the only tip I can give you is when you're pulling away, be super careful with your clutch. Don't worry about any other pedal. Just focus on your clutch. You can control your strength of your pull away with what you do on your clutch. If you're going to go for petrol, you're going to get scared of the noise and then you're going to end up going faster or you're going to stall. Where if you can control your clutch, you can pull away very nicely. Your brake is going to interfere, so don't use your brake unless you feel it's a downhill or something. If you're pulling away on a downhill, you definitely want your foot softly on the brake. I'll demonstrate that in another video. Okay, so now we want to start our vehicle. So to start your vehicle, most vehicles these days, your newer vehicles, you need to press in your clutch before you can start your car. Your car won't do anything until you put until you push in your clutch. Okay, so I'm going to start my engine now. So to start the car, I just pressed in my clutch and then I just turned my key all the way until the car, the ignition ignited. So you want to listen, you want to make sure the car actually ignites. And then as soon as it ignites, you leave the key and it comes back to the on position. Okay, so now I can release my clutch because I didn't need my clutch to do the other things. I just needed my clutch in to start the vehicle. Okay, now this is the correct way to pull away. This is not K53. This is for beginners, just so that you know how to make your car move forward without rolling back and without stalling. Okay, so if you're going to pull away straight, there's no turn, you're just going straight in the road, like on a farm road or something like this. You don't need to indicate because there's no one around. But if you're in a road where there could be other traffic and you're going to merge a little bit to the left or you're going to merge a bit to the right to connect onto the road, you obviously need to indicate. So if I was going to go right, I would have checked and indicated that way. If I was going to go left, I would have checked and I would have indicated that way. But in this case, we're just going straight. Okay, so all I got to do is push in my clutch and I need to put my gear into first gear because first is my only gear that can make my still standing vehicle move forward. So I'm going to take the lever to the left and up. That's first gear. Okay, now this is the tricky part, or this is the part that you just have to master. Once you can understand how clutch control works, driving becomes very easy. Okay, so all I'm doing now is I'm carefully releasing my clutch up to the biting point. And what happens is the car slightly dips at the back and there's a bit of a vibration. You can feel it, like the car's like telling me it wants to go. Now all I gotta do is check, is it safe around me? Put my handbrake down and my car's gonna start moving forward. And if it doesn't, you just carefully bring the clutch little by little by little by little until the car moves. And there I go. Perfect. Okay, let's try that again. And there I go. Now all you do is you continue to very softly release your clutch until it's all the way off. And then once it's all the way off, you can put your foot very softly onto the accelerator and then the car will start moving. I hope that helps you to pass your driving test with confidence. Now go outside and have a blessed day.